Hey guys, so have you ever had an onboarding process or maybe a KYC process that involved inputting countries' data, state, and something way below that level? I'm sure you must have faced this problem before. Before I proceed, this space is majorly for software developers. If you are not a software developer, you might not relate so much to what I'll be talking about here. So you can as well skip this particular video. So back to what I was saying. So have you encountered a situation whereby either an onboarding form or a KYC form where you need countries data, you need state, maybe for a country like Nigeria, you also need local government, and then maybe you up to world level. And this is just for Nigeria. And then this app is more of for international use. So which means if you go to a country like Ghana, you talk about regions, and then when you go to maybe a country like Canada, you are talking about provinces and so on and so forth. And then the data that you want goes beyond just the state. Like these are different layers. You have the country, you have the region or province or state or whatever it is. And then for Nigeria, for instance, we have local government, we have council ward. So how do you normally solve this problem? For countries and state, we have this data scattered all over. But how about you have a package that you can just install into your system, maybe for Node.js developer, for instance, an npm package that you can just install, and then you can just run a command, and it will seed all your countries, it will seed all the states, and even the local government data up to council ward. How about a problem like this? You have this kind of solution. Is this something you will find useful? I've actually solved this problem before in an application, and I'm thinking I should make it open source. The major part of it that is a challenge for now is the level beyond the state. And I call it Geotiers. The solution I'm providing, I call it Geotiers, whereby there will be different layers there will be different hierarchy depending on the country. In Nigeria, for instance, you have your state, you have your local government, you have your council ward, and all of this data will be there. You can just install this package, you can just run a command, and you get to install all of these details. And then for other countries, this will be open source. So other countries as well, you can also have these structured layers. You can have your region or county or whatever the country calls it. You have this data at these levels, and with this package, all you need is to install it, run some CLI to install data for any country. So is this something you will find useful? Have you encountered this problem? So there is a form, so help me to fill it. Let's know if this is really a problem worth spending time to solve, so that I can proceed to build the package and then make it open source for other engineers to contribute. Thank you. My name is Usha. Full name is Usha Humbashi. And you can follow my website to check more about me. And you can chat me. Let's talk about this. Do you see this as a problem worth solving, or there's really no need? Thank you. Bye for now.